are inside the building of the University of Twente. This is a University of Science, and this building is called Rabline, and study domains which are occupying with social studies are placed here. And as you can see around, it has a lot of facilities and so on. And now we are also going to make a tour around the building, so you can see that what kind of options and what kind of facilities do you have if you are going to come to study here. As you can see, this is one of the computer rooms. So during your studies, when you have a time or so on, then you can come here and use the facilities here. This is usually one of the study rooms also, but actually you can come also here during the breaks. And of course the library has also facilities like computers. So we as students usually have breaks around here, around this place. So if we need to bring a coffee or drink it, then we do it usually here. And of course you have other facilities like possibilities to make your own copies. As a student, you just use your student card and place it in the computer, and then you can copy for yourself for a very cheap price, so that is also a good option. And when you are doing some group works or project works, then you can do it here, like some group of people who have to work together. They usually do their assignments in little rooms like this, where they are not disturbed, so you have to have the chance to have a privacy and work alone. Okay, so as you could already see, the building was newly renovated, and it was renovated throughout a project which was made from 2008 and till 2012. And as you can see around, it is a newly facilitated building, and it offers really all the opportunities and all the possibilities to study here. And the university usually offers you all kind of programs for international students, but also for national level. And as now you can see, now there is a project for those who want to base a company to create plans for their companies. And here you can see all the exhibitions necessary for the books which you need in order to found a new company. Here you can also see the new design of the university. That way is also the student canteen. You can have the opportunity to enjoy your lunch there, and the laboratorium rooms also can be found there. And this building there is the European Studies building. So we wanted to make a movie in this building. It's a chemistry laboratorium building, but they did not let us, because they said that it has to be kept secretly. And you know, all those research which they are making must be a secret, so it's very hard procedure to get in there, so that's why it could not be made, but maybe next time we succeed. So here we are in one of the course rooms. We could get in because it's empty and there are no courses now, but you can see here is one of the projectors, so usually we make our presentation here. The sound system is also a very good one. And here you can lead your presentation, and when you're a student, you are just sitting here and enjoy one of your colleagues' presentation or the teacher's lecture.
Ja, dat heb ik 5%.
Ja.
Maar ja, met een nieuwe versie. Special wel.
Ja, nog niet de wist wat anders zijn. Ik denk dat uiteindelijk
Ja, dat moet je
Als we het lijst gaan
this is another building of the Twente University. So it is important to mention about it that this is actually a technical university. So it encompasses all the study fields which have to do with technology, engineering, electrical engineering, chemical engineering, and so on. But also, of course, social studies can be found here. I am a student in a social study field, and the university contains 8,000 students, which is not so much considering that how big the campus is and old these buildings, but they have a lot of buildings and a lot of facilities for different kind of study fields. We usually have fun. Students come out to drink coffee here and so on. Now it's a Saturday, so actually there are not so many of them, but as you can see there in the cafe and so on, they are sitting some people and so. Yes, and there you can sports center also. Now they are actually preparing for something, for a kind of program. And as you can see, the Twente University also promotes art, where students have the possibilities to exhibit their works. So here you can see one of the newest exhibitions. So as I can see, the exhibition combines the older styles with the modern painting styles, and these are paintings of the students which try to make themselves well known in the art of the Netherlands. So this is the library of the Twente University. As you can see, it has a lot of new computers and new facilities, and a lot of students who are preparing to the exams have the possibility to study here. This is one of the study rooms, so the students have also the opportunity to have more privacy here and to study. And upstairs, of course, there are the bookshelves, and the Twente has a lot of books and in different kind of fields, also in technology, but also in social studies.